Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at simplifying fractions, and our directions tell us to write each fraction in simplest form. So in our previous video we looked at finding the greatest common factor. So that's what we're going to have to do when we simplify fractions. We need to look for our greatest common factor for the numerator and the denominator. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to list my factors of my numerator. I'm going to list my factors of 4. So that is just 1 and 4, 2 and 2. Those are my only factors of the number 4. I also need to do that same thing, but for the denominator. So when I list the factors of 12, I start with 1 and 12, I move up to 2, 2 goes into 12 6 times, then we have 3 and 4. And those are my only 6 factors of the number 12. So now I need to identify the greatest common factor. So in this case, 4 is my greatest common factor. So what I have to do to simplify this fraction is I have to divide out my GCF from the top and the bottom. So I divide both the top and the bottom by my GCF. And when I do that, 4 divided by 4 on top is 1. And on the bottom, in the denominator, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this fraction in simplest form is 1/3. So 4 over 12 is equivalent to 1/3. So I'm going to repeat the same process for example 2, but it's a little bit harder when the numbers are a little bit larger. You have more factors you have to go through. So when I look at 27, I have 1 and 27. It's odd, so 2 doesn't work. 3 works. 3 times 9 is 27. And then as I keep going, 4 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 6, 7, 8 don't work, and then I'm back to the bottom of my right column. So I'm done looking at factors for 27. There were only 4. When I do 42, 42 will have more, it's even. So that's 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and 14. We have 6 and 7, and that is all of our factors. So 42 does not have any other factors besides these 8 numbers. So again, at this point, we have to pick out our greatest common factor. So my greatest common factor in this example is 3. 3 is the largest number that goes into both 27 and 42. Now I need to divide the numerator and the denominator by this number. So I divide the top and bottom by my GCF, which in this case is 3. So when I rewrite this fraction, 27 divided by 3 is 9, and 42 divided by 3 is 14. So 9 over 14 is the simplest form of 27 over 42. Hey guys, thanks for joining us for another video, and I hope this was helpful. I'm going to put a link to the next video at the top of this screen, and any related videos I'm going to leave along the bottom. Please feel free to leave any questions or any comments or any suggestions in the comments below, and we'll see you for our next video. Thanks.